difference. Now see next. Now number second is, it is A1, it is A2, A3, it is A4 and so on. Here A is equal to these two and common difference D is, first common difference A2 minus A1, that means A2 is 5 by 2, A1 is 2, so 5 minus 2 to the 4 by this 2, getting 1 by 2. Next D, again common difference we will find, इसे निकालेंगे, A3 minus A2, A3 is 3, A2 is 5 by 2, 2 3 is 6, minus 5 by 2, it is also obtaining 1 by 2. Now next D, this, like this, A4 minus A3, A4 is 7 by 2, minus A3 is 3, so it is 7 minus 2 3 is 6 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. So here common differences are all same, that means they form AP, therefore D equal to 1 by 2. Common difference is getting, D is getting 1 by 2. So our question is, if they form an AP, find the common difference. So it is answer common difference. And the next one, I write 3 more terms. Now 3 more terms. Number 1, last term is out. We need here 3 more terms, like 1, 2 and 3. So it is 7 by 2. And what we get, how we get next numbers, we get D. If we add D, we get next number. That means last number was 7 by 2 plus D. So 7 by 2 plus D is 1 by 2. LCM is 2. 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. 2 4 is 8. That means this number is 4. Now second more terms, it is 4. 4 plus again D, that means 4 plus 1 by 2, 2 4 is 8, plus 1, 9 by 2, second more term is 9 by 2, and third and last is this 9 by 2 plus D equal to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 2 to LCM 2, 9 plus 1, 10 by 2, that means 5. So it is 5. So therefore 3 more terms are 4, 9 by 2 and 5. So it is our answer. So we can do by this system and we can find next 3 terms. Now see this fifth part is, it is the terms and we find first common difference and check it is forming AP or not. और इसको चेक करेंगे ये AP है कि नहीं. इसके लिए सबसे पहले हमको क्या चाहिए, हमें चाहिए A, यहाँ देखिए हमें चाहिए D. Then we find D. D means like A1, A2, A3, A4. Then D is A2 minus 7, 3 plus root 2 minus 3, 3 cancel, here root 2. Now next common difference is A3 minus A2, this A3 minus A2, subtract here, so A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus A2 is, so make here bracket, यहाँ bracket बनाएंगे because before this term it is negative. That means 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3, and due to minus into plus minus root. So here also plus 3 minus 3 cancel. It is 2 root 2, it is 1 root 2, getting 1 root 2. Now next common difference is a4 minus a3. a4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus this a3 is 3 plus 2 root 2, then 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus into plus minus 2 root 2, again 3 cancel, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. If you have any problem, अगर इसमें प्रॉब्लम है तो घटाने में, तो रूट टू कॉमन ले सकते हैं. Here it is getting 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Root 2 is common. Then you get 3 minus 2. Root 2 into 1, that means root 2. So here all common differences are getting root 2. First is this d, second is this d, root 2, this also root 2. That means common differences are same. That means the numbers form 9AP. Then what is common difference? D root 2. The first answer is this. Then if they form an AP, अगर ये AP है तो हम लोग को common difference निकालना है, that is answer. और निकालना है 3 more terms. 3 more terms here. 1. We need 3, 1, 2 and 3. 3 more terms. Number 1. Last number is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus d. What is d? Root 2. That means 3 plus, it is 3 root 2, it is 1 root 2. Becomes 4 root 2. Now next, this 3 plus 4 root 2. Again plus d. What is d? Root 2. Root 2. It becomes 3 plus 4 root 2, 1 root 2. 5 root 2. Now last one. This 3 plus 5 root 2 plus also d is root 2. It is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2, 6 root. So these are the next 3 more terms. So it is the answer. Now number 12 part is, it is most important and almost it has been asked in the board exams. So now see here. First what we do here, try to find factorization of these numbers and get the square root. It is 8 factor 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 to the 8, and root 18 is 18. Very easy. 2 into 3 into 3, 2, 9, 18. 3, 3, 9. 3, 1, 3. 2 into 3 into 3. And root 32. 32 factorization. 2, 16. 2, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8. 2, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 is coming 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many terms are having pairs here? किस के पास पेयर है? पेयर है 2. It has no pair. It stays inside the root. It has pairs, so 3, no pair, root 2. Here first pair 2 into 2. This 2 into 2, 4. That means 4 root 2. So it is our main sequence is coming this, and it becomes A1, A2, A3, A4, and we need next 5 if it forms an AP. So here first term is root 2. And first common difference D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 2 root 2. Separate here 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2. It is 1 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1. We get 1 root 2. Next common difference is a3 minus a2. What is a3? a3 is 3 root 2 minus a2 is 2 root 2. इसको इसमें सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे, 3 में से 2 घटाएंगे 1 root 2. 1 root 2 and root 2 is same thing, 1 root 2. Next b, this a4 minus a3, that means 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, it is also getting 1 root 2. So here common differences are same, so they form a AP. So it is clear here, this sequence forming AP, therefore D is getting common difference is root 2. So first answer is this. If they form an AP, find the common difference, that is answer, and write 3 more terms. 3 more terms. Now see this 3 more terms. Here we need 3 more terms. 1, 2 and 3. Last point is our root 32 plus d. D is root 2. And root 32. See how to write this root 32. Root 32 is this 4 root 2. It can be written as 4 root 2. 4 root 2 and plus root 2. 4 plus 1. 4 root 2, 1 root 2, 5 root 2. And you should write the answer in terms of like this, in the square root. So it becomes 5 is outside the root, it goes inside the root, it becomes pair. 5 into 5 into 2, that means root 50. It is first. Next more terms after this 32. Now next root 50 plus d, again root 2, this root 2, root 50 plus root 2. That means 50 is written as, see here, root 50 is known as 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 plus 1 root 2 getting 6 root 2. Then 6 root 6 becomes here 2 times. Because if you take the square root of 6 into 6, we get 6. Into 2 is equal to root 72. Now last, root 72 plus root 2. Now 72. Now see once again, root 72 is written as 6 root 2 plus root 2. That means 7 root 2. And again 7 becomes here pairs. 7 into 7 into 2. 7, 7, 49 to 98. That means it is root 50. Next one is root 72. And last answer is root 98. So you can do by that way. So these are the final answers.